video, you have seen that Jack stole the prime minister's Lamborghini, and I let's do that. See, this is also garbage. I need to remove out. Remove. I want now formula now. Guys, are you ready to get the most fastest supercar, or you can say a normal car? Wait, what can I order in this formula? Whoa. Please order. What? Guys, it's a very big problem. I can't order this. I can't order this. But why? Okay. I think it will say no, because if I need to get 1 rupee, because my money will be zero, no, then what I will do? So I know I will first go there. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you the main thing. I had two things for you, but I just don't want this garbage car. It's not a car, it's an auto. But then also garbage is a garbage. I'm going to stop, and I'm going to tell you one main thing. Can see. Are you ready to see? See now. I have buy that rocket launcher. And you guys know now how much power does rocket launcher have? Okay, I think I can now order the formula. Yes. You see, this is a Formula Ferrari, and this car is not a garbage. It's a very cool, great, and awesome car. So let's do a test drive. Then we'll park it into our garage. Wow, the car speed is a lot. So guys, I have tested this car. The top speed was 300. It touched almost 300. I think it will 300. It should be 300. I was going to check the top speed, but now let's park into our garage. Which angle? This one. This. Now. Oh no. Little wrong. Oh, wait. Let them go. Okay, they have went. Because I don't. Oh, by saying police, I have listened a thing. That that police have beaten me a lot. But this time they wouldn't. Because, my dangerous weapon, RPG, which I have shown you. So first, let's come here, save the game. Then let's do day. Because guys, in my world, the night doesn't come. Only one time when I doesn't know about cheat codes. This way, okay. So now let's go to police station. I have tried to war with police first also, but it failed because the Sweatman entered into my garage and they blasted my formula. And I'm very scared of police vehicles. So let's go to over here, and then activate the cheat. Pop up, please. Guys, I'm so scared, but need to do na for you guys. Oh no, you will arrest me, I think. Get the hell out of here. Can't see? A legendary weapon is behind you. Oh no. Oh wait, there is a sweat soldier. I will show him who is sweat and who is bad. See them. A war is going over here and the police also. He only killed the police. Why are they running? What happened? Oh, I died. Oh no! I just got 10 rupees after that. So guys, don't worry, only one thing filled. Okay guys, I'm with Jack and C. Jack buy the Bugatti? Jack, you didn't tell you buy the Bugatti? But don't worry, I have already checked this Bugatti speed, guys. And I forgot also because it was a lot of years later. And see, I have a M416 also. I didn't tell you this also. Sorry. This can kill a person with only 4 bullets. See now how much powerful. And Desert Sniper, I told you in one video. And see now. It was first 40 ammo and now 42 ammo. Wait. Let me kill. No. Let the civilians live because this is India, no. And if Indian civilians will die, then what happen, no? Okay, and I don't want Indians to die. And let's see if he is wearing that India one or anything. Okay, he is wearing Indian. Let you go. Get out. Oh wait, he is angry on me. Will I test by rocket launcher? Oh no! Really sweet beams. Oh, rocket launcher. He got over there. You see now how much cool rocket launcher is he? He said me, God damn it. But then also, let him run. And you, come over here. I have buy 3 weapons. I didn't tell you guys also. I forgot I buy this shotgun also. No one is powerful than me now. If somebody will try no. If one time I will have. And guys, comment me down that which next gun should I target. Bylin machine gun, huh guys? Bylin machine gun. You tell me what. Oh, let's do some action, buddy. That was Richie. Now this is Jack. And you know now, Jack is a really cool fighter. So let's do some action. Warwick? No. We should try something different. No, guys. Battery. Okay. Battery is fine or fine. I'm going to war with the zombies. And you know now, guys. I will kill the zombies very high way. Because I have RPG also, M416 also. So zombies have no chance to win. Guys, comment because I'm not going to kill zombies right now. I'm just little scared. Just little. But comment. If you will comment kill the zombies, I'm asking you 2 questions. Okay, should I kill zombies and what gun should I buy next? See? What should I buy next? Buy this. SMG or Leluor? I think I should buy this Leluor because it's a strong gun. But I don't like small guns. I like big guns like this. Oh, I forgot. Oh no! I buy mistakenly buy the ammo of this gun and I don't wanted to buy that gun. But don't worry guys, RPG also have some. Oh no, I think he's going to die. Oh no, and comment. But wait guys, I forgot I wanted to fight with the police. So I need to find a way which I could fight with police. Because I haven't didn't action by 10 to 2 episodes. Hey, go over here. And let's activate the cheat code. Oh no. Oh. mobile. Okay, he's gone stuck that way, but you die. Die! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, my health! Guys, my health is too low. Wait, these helicopters are very doing disturbing me. Down the chopper. I hate the helicopter drives because you know the helicopter drives are how much bad. Oh no! Sweat soldier died. Oh, I am accurate sharpshooter. Oh! Oh, see his ends. One time I killed this, no? Oh yes, he done my work. Oh, that is the disadvantage. Means Jack failed and Richie also failed. Because guys, I didn't have that machine gun. But don't worry guys. Machine gun is not a cooler weapon like this RPG. Because RPG does a lot of damage. Guys, comment which next gun should I buy by in RPG. Should I buy that Rami, that small gun? I show you now. First, let me go to the weapon shop too. I can switch to Richie, but I didn't want to switch to Richie. I know it's my personal character, but I should switch in both now because then Jack will lock in himself. And Jack has the ability of driving that I like. See, I should buy this or SMG or Liluar. I have only 3 guns left. Only 3 guns. I'm not going to buy this because my mind say because my brain said I should buy this because rocket launcher does a lot of damage that RPG doesn't have. And guys, it's the time for revenge. Revenge. And revenge, I'm again going to fight with police, but not at this one. I'm going to go upside at this Eiffel Tower, any tower. What? Then is it another cheat code? Okay, how to climb? I need a helicopter, and helicopter is over there. I think I need a vehicle. Okay, don't worry. I will call Hey Taxi. Oh wait, no way to call. There is already a garbage car over here. Okay, ready? Get set, go. Go, 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 go. Oh yes, 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 yes! Then guys, I told you my plan. I'll go to that Eiffel Tower and after reaching that Eiffel Tower, I will start war with police. There we go. There is that Eiffel Tower. Go. Driving helicopter is very hard in this game. I've learned a lot of efforts how to drive this helicopter. I hate these helicopters in this game. Bye bye. Let's activate the cheat code again. Then now police will die. Pop up please. Now say no anything. When I was in the ground, you killed me a lot of times, but now it wouldn't be. Okay, Thisno, come here. Come. Okay, the officers also shooting. Oh no! Oh wait, no! Please no, please no, please no. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Huh? Oh no. Guys, sometimes I think I wish that I could play in the old version that we kill police and the police starts returning. Tell me if you did any time 5-star escape. I did 3 times. One for just one that videos. I still prime ministers. I still prime minister's Lamborghini that video. But I'm sorry guys that one day my less Richie destroyed Richie's formula for fun, and Richie destroyed my Lamborghini. And then Richie gifted me a Bugatti, and I gifted Richie some formula rupees for buying a formula. And first let's equip power, and let's see if, oh no, this time not. But I want something action. Guys, comment I should war with police or no. If you will say yes, I will do war with police. If you say no, then I will not do war. Anything you will do. Oh wow, sports bike. So guys, are you ready to do some stunts? Then let's go. My stunts are awesome. Okay guys, that was not fun. I will do only one stunt and video will end. Yeah. This. Okay. We are ready. What? What? What did just happen? Oh no, 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 no. You should pay attention while crossing the road. Otherwise, if anybody while leaving me, no. If it will be no, then it will. And guys, I'm thinking I will be the first person who buy the rocket launcher without the Duter Force hack version. I know how to download, but it comes some error that you cannot download this mode. But I cannot tell you the mode because it's a rule of YouTube. Okay, so let's ride his sports bike on the road. Because I haven't tested some formula or the Lamborghini with you. Oh, my cutting, drifting, everything is nice. Okay. My cutting, my drifting, my sharpness are very cool, guys. Because I'm great at nerfing also, and that also. And guys, I'm going to tell you something that see, you always see my videos and go, you didn't subscribe my channel. Subscribe. That's not interesting. You didn't subscribe. Oh, wow, what a stunt! And my stunts are always awesome. What the stunts? Wow. Okay, and guys, I'm going to show you the secret location of cheat code is over here only. But first, I need to go on this yard. Before going this yard, I will do some more stunts because by this Suzuki, so stunts it will always do no me. I always do stunts. And guys, I only have 4 weapons left, but I will not buy the machine gun because if RPG and machine gun are both are in same level, and I will I had to see only. I'll see only 3 ads. No, I will. Yes, guys, I will. I can buy that rummy gun, but there are two guns very high. So let me do calculation a time. Okay, I done calculation, guys. So by buying all of that things, I will need almost $6,000. Very high quality, guys. But guys, I should leave that rummy gun, no, because it's very weak. It takes 20 bullets to 16 bullets to kill a person. And let's meet up with Richard, not meet up. I just see his formula and show off and uh, let's see, or else he's made to do show off that I have formula. Richie has said me that to be the biggest gangster, talk to Krill. And guys, after talking Krill, I will end up this video because 20 minutes video. Very long, guys. Then you will cut, no. I did half video time pass. But now no. Wow. Whoa. I had some stunts, no. Comment hashtag stunt master. Krill, tell me what should I do to get. Okay, guys, Krill have said me that I'll say in the next episode what he said to be the biggest gangster in this town, Dude Town, and to be the biggest gangster. Bye.